Hello everybody, are you experiencing this very annoying error code? Well, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix it. The first thing you want to do is turn off Vanguard if you have it running. This doesn't seem to play well with Xbox Game Pass, and this will cause a lot of errors. So that should be the first thing you should try. The second thing you can try is running Call of Duty as an administrator. In order to do this, open up Xbox Game Pass, right click at Call of Duty, click on Create Desktop Shortcut. After you do that, it should be on your desktop. I don't have desktop icons enabled, but you should find the desktop shortcut here. Right click and say Run as Administrator. And this will solve about 50% of all the errors that many people have on this game. So those two things are: first, if these things still haven't fixed it for you, then try method number 3. So method number 3 is to go into Xbox, right click on Call of Duty, hit Manage, go to Files, and click on Verify and Repair. After you've done that, try to reboot the game and see if it works. If it doesn't work, let's move on to method number 4. So method number 4 is to go into PowerShell. So I will put these links into the video description. But copy and paste this, go into Run, type in PowerShell. You'll find Windows PowerShell here. Right click on this, hit Run as Administrator, hit Yes, copy and paste this thing that I just posted. It will come back like this, and then number 2, copy and paste this. What this does is this will install something to verify game files into your Xbox Game Pass. So this will open the Microsoft Store. It will open Gaming Services. You click Install, hit Yes. After you've done that, Xbox will want to reboot. You say Update Now. So updating the services takes a couple of minutes, but once it's finished, click on the profile on the top left, hit Support, and you will see Gaming Services Repair Tool. Click on this and hit Start Repairing, and that should solve many of your issues. If these still don't solve the issues, then move on to method number 5. So I will put links to both of these files in the video description. One for Windows 10, one for Windows 11. Download whichever one is relevant for you. I'm on Windows 11 now. It should be a bat file here. Right click this, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. It will ask for your file location. So open Xbox Game Pass, right click on Call of Duty, click on Manage, click on Files, click on Browse. It will come up with this folder here. Click on Call of Duty, click on Content, and you'll have this file path here. Copy and paste this into here, hit Enter, and reboot Xbox Game Pass, and that should solve every issue that people are having with this game. If this helped you, hit the video a like. If this didn't help you, give the video a comment and let me know what is the problem, and I will do my best to fix it.